Old thermostat has 3 wires labeled 1, 2 and 3, R, W, B respectively. Where do they go on my new alarm.com thermostat?
Hello, I need the full model number of the new thermostat. There are over 100 different configurations on the market and all are wired differently to suit a wide range of equipment options. I need the brand name and full model number of the old thermostat. If the unit that sits outside runs in the winter for heating as well as the summer for cooling, you have a heat pump and will need the OB terminal. If not, then do not use the OB terminal. I will coach you specifically as soon as learn what you have exactly.
Thank you. New thermostat is alarm.com B36T10 Airbay, ADCT 2000. Old thermostat is Honeywell TH9421C1004. Old therm photo 1, new therm photo 2, data board on furnace 3.
Thanks. Honeywell thermostat was a very special type. Called a communicating thermostat, it talks back and forth via microprocessors to your HVAC equipment and decides via complex software programs how to operate the system. Your new alarm company thermostat is not a communicating thermostat. It simply sends cooling or heater signals, one way, to put a system that uses that sort of control setup into heating or cooling mode blindly. That type is 98% common. It is sometimes possible to wire this simpler type of thermostat to terminal strip in your communicating type of furnace air handler, but it's tricky. And will limit many of the features provided by your old Honeywell communicating type thermostat. My advice is to reinstall the Honeywell and find some other way of integrating HVAC operation with the wider alarm company agenda. It's time to rate my input for the day. That gets me paid. Locate the finish and rate your expert link near the top of the page and click on it. I will appreciate that very much. I am in every day from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. West Coast USA time to do any follow-up, including coaching, training and repair advice as needed.
Thank you for the information. Is there any way I can make this thermostat work for me? I'd rather prefer to keep the new one, even if it limits some of the functions.
It is not advisable to hash up your existing sophisticated system to suit this older style, but quite common, dumb thermostat. The Honeywell model you have is carefully integrated into your matching zone control panel, and that panel is not set up for a dumb thermostat. If you were able to hash something together that would work, service people in the future would need the skills and diligence to figure out what was done, and work with it. That's about 5% of the technicians. You do not want to have those sorts of problem, nor spend the many hours it would take to jerry-rig such an incompatible thermostat into your system.
While that's not the answer I was looking for, I understand your advice. Thanks for your time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.